Apple released macOS 26.4 developer beta 1 on Monday. Now today is Friday, so that makes it up to 4 days of daily driving and full testing by me. Yeah, on Monday I mentioned the star of the show, which is called battery charge limits, a feature that makes most Mac users delete Audacity, the app we used to limit charging, or we used to. The shadow that used to be behind the control center on previous beta builds has been completely eliminated. Yeah, we now have a kind of liquid blur effect behind, and it looks very nice. It matches what we are supposed to have on liquid glass, not like a remnant of macOS Sequoia in macOS 26 control center. From what I saw on Reddit, many people actually welcome this new change. Yeah, although I didn't even notice that or even care much about the control center. I hardly even use it. Something else we noticed is Safari. Yeah, in Safari settings, Apple kicked out compact tabs since the debut of macOS 26. And personally, that's something that really hurts me a lot because I really loved compact tabs on macOS 15. Luckily, we have compact tabs. It's now back on macOS 26. The music app also supports word-by-word lyrics as well as translations and transliterations. Yeah, they brought that to iOS quite a while back, but it's finally on macOS Apple Music app. Now, speaking of the charge limit I mentioned before, for some reason I set mine to 90%. It worked since the day I set it, but today I noticed that despite the 90% limit, I woke up this morning and met my MacBook charged to 100%. Yeah, so it looks like there is a tendency for the charge limit not to work. At least that's probably like a bug since it's still like a developer beta 1. Definitely Apple would perfect this as time goes on. I'm going to be sure to report this in feedback, yeah, just so Apple knows that the limit doesn't like work 100% of the time. It's not like my MacBook was turned off. Yeah, it was actually turned on and booted into the OS, so the limit is actually supposed to work. So far so good. Performance has been okay. Yeah, I haven't really noticed that many bugs with third-party apps. There are actually some bugs, yeah, but then it's like how it is on the stable 26.3. Yeah, so there is nothing so different about 26.4 and third-party apps. And for battery usage, the battery is still performing very great, just like I talked about in almost every previous build of 26 we have been dealing with lately. My battery health is still 100%, yeah, but from what you can see, on Monday the battery health was good. On Tuesday, we used about 55% of energy usage. It gave us around 10 hours of screen on time, around that. On Wednesday, barely 25% of energy usage gave us around almost 6 hours of screen on usage. I mean, if you think that's good, look at Thursday. Thursday, barely 12% of energy usage gave us 6 hours of screen on usage. So that's basically all there is to add on top of macOS 26.4, which I already talked about on Tuesday. Yeah, you might want to go check out that video. I'm going to link it up here. You should see it. Also, it will be in the description of this YouTube video. Yeah, that's where you get the measure of the first build and the first full features I talked about. Anyways, I'll see you guys around.